Hello, do you know which one of these is a cuboid? Okay, so is it this one or is it this one? Okay, give you a second. Right, it is this one. This is a cuboid. Well done for those that got it. Okay, and this one is a square. So a cuboid is a 3D shape, so it means it's not one-dimensional. Now that's a big word, but all that means is you can't just see it one way, you can see it from around as well. So that's 3D. And 2D, like this, that's just one way. And that is why this is a cuboid, because a cuboid is 3D, okay? And to show you how to draw a cuboid, all you have to do is you draw a rectangle like this, okay, to start with, and then you draw diagonal lines going up like that, and then all you got to do is connect them, draw like another rectangle. So if I go like this, and then go like that, and then like that, and that is your cuboid. All right, use this information, play the next game, or see you next one.